District 3800 Artificial Limb Donation Project. The District 3800 led the physician delegation from India, which fitted the fabricated prosthesis for persons with disabilities from Lucena City and other towns in Quezon, held last April 30, 2015. This project aims to provide artificial limb to underprivileged fellow men.
Nagbabalik po ang Rotary in Action and moving on to our PCRG Corner, kung saan ating kikilalanin ang ating panauhing kasapi ng Philippine College of Rotary Governors. At para sa gabing ito ay tayo napakaswerte sapagkat ang ating makakapanayam ay ang incoming governor ng District 3780, the only city district in the whole world. Ayan, natatandaan ko yan. Let us all welcome to our show from the Rotary Club of Timog, District 3780, District Governor-elect Reynaldo David. Or should I say, Dr. Reynaldo David?
Pwede kahit ano. So magandang gabi rin sa iyo, past District Governor June.
At syempre, sa ating mga televiewers, lalo na sa iyong mga nasasakupang distrito, ang distrito na napakalaki, District 3780. By the way, Gov. Ray, Gov. Ray, yan ang yung bag, hindi na Doc Ray. Gov. Ray, pwede mo bang i-describe itong District 3780? Gaano ba kalaki? How many Rotary clubs and how many Rotarians?
Ang District 3780, tawag nga dyan is one city, one district. Actually, composed of about 102 Rotary clubs and about 2,200 members. Yeah.
102 Rotary clubs. 2,200. More than 2,200 Rotarians. Okay. Sabi mo, one city, one district. Meron bang ibang kapareho ang District 3780?
Kami lang nag-iisa sa buong mundo.
Sa buong mundo. Yeah. Kaya parati ko narinig, pinagmamalaki ng inyong mga governors, the only one in the whole world, yeah. District 3780. Okay. Alam namin na kagagaling mo lamang sa San Diego International Assembly. Pero bago ko tanungin ito, siyempre, bilang kasapi ng Philippine College of Rotary Governors, gusto ko sanang itanong din, ito ba namang asosasyon natin ng mga governors, nakatulong ba naman sa iyo?
Yeah.
Sa iyong paghahanda bilang isang governor-elect?
100% nakatulong sila sa akin. Kasi nung umattend ako ng Rotary International Assembly, parang ako'y well-prepared na. Sabi nga nila, how can you lead effectively if you do not trust your abilities? Nung nandun ako, parang prepared na ako dahil yun itinuro na sa atin during our pre-gets training program.
Pre-gets training na sponsored by PCRG. Okay, yun nga gusto ko malaman dahil prepared ka na. And for the benefit of our viewers, para sa susunod na Rotary Year, I'm sure all the Rotarians from your district will be very interested. Ano ba ang iyong magiging district trust at district goals para sa District 3780?
Ang ating district trust, in line with our Rotary International Strategic Plan and our club leadership plan, una with regards to membership, ang target namin, we have that Rotary 600. At the end of the year, 600 additional members, provided that we have a 100% retention. For our service project, we have this continuing project that NTB now, of course, our end polio, and now we will have an additional end dengue now.
And dengue.
Yeah, because there is they found out now there is increased morbidity and mortality in areas in Quezon City, District 2, District 5, and District 6. And we have this additional project, Adapt a Health Center, to equip all these health centers so that this will be the primary pupuntahan ng mga pasyente, providing access to medicine and improve the facilities in the health center.
Talagang, I would say, you are very much prepared. Balikan ko yung sinabi, and 600.
Yeah.
Or at the end of the Rotary year, 600 members being added to Rotary International District 3780. Gob, I would like to mention to you that if that will happen, you will be the first. Your district will be the first in the Philippines which can achieve that. Kasi na-achieve na yung end 500 eh. Ang ating pinag-uusapan ngayon, end 600 new members for your district. At saka natutuwa ako sa iyong end dengue. Dahil yung sinusundan mo yata NTB. Talagang ikaw ay isa kang doktor. Okay. At alam ko naman na you're now in the thick also of preparation for your training. Ano na ba ang mga natapos na training?
Ang natapos namin, of course, sa district nung namin, meron kaming pre-pets. Natapos na namin yan.
Ilan ang pre-pets?
4 na session ng pre-pets. And then we have the pets. And then now we will have yung ating grant management seminar. Ginawa na rin namin yan, TRF seminar, at least kahit ano. And then our district training assembly. This will be on May 23 at the Crown Plaza.
Okay. So, ang iyong district training assembly sa May 23. At ito ba ay whole day?
Ito, whole day affair to.
Magaling kang pumili ng hotel, Crown Plaza. Kasi dyan din ako nag-district training assembly. Napakaganda ng mga facilities. And ano naman ang host club mo rito? Sino
ang host club ko rito? Ang chairman ko rito si Yusek Louis Pangulayan. At ang club is the San Francisco del Monte, Rotary Club of SFDF.
Aba, mga sikat ang mga taga San Francisco del Monte. Andyan yung aking kasama sa PCRG board, si PDG Penny Policarpio, na napakasipag. Gob, kanina may binanggit ka kanina na clinic. Ito ba'y kasama sa trust mo ito? Health center. Adapt a health center. You're referring to health centers in Quezon City.
Kasi nag-survey kami ngayon ng mga health center. Minsan pupunta ang mga, alam mo natin, may hirap na pasyente. Wala man lang silang pang-BP, walang pantimbang, walang stethoscope, walang ulang sa mga gamit talaga. Kaya yun ang aming tututupan.
So, i-encourage mo ang mga Rotary clubs to adapt.
Adapt a health center.
One Rotary Club, one health center. Wow. Magandang ano yan. Kasi kasama sa areas of focus natin yan. Under disease prevention and treatment. And pwede rin mother and child, di ba? Mother and child health. Okay, so buong Quezon City ang plano. 102 Rotary clubs. May plano ka ba, Gob, na magdagdag ng Rotary club sa inyong distrito?
Siyempre, isa rin ambisyon ng isang governor is to increase yung mag-sponsor ng another clubs sa area na walang kailangan ang mga Rotarians and clubs.
Alam mo ba, Gob, yan ang number one duty ng ating mga governors. For the benefit of our viewers, meron po kaming tinatawag na bylaws at ang nakalagay doon yung duties of the governor. At ang number one duty is to organize a new Rotary Club in your district depending on the needs. Tama yung sinabi mo sa mga areas na kung saan. So, siyempre, district training assembly at susunod na dyan, yung talagang inaabangan ng lahat, ang district handover. O, saan ba naman ito mangyayari? Sino ba ang host club natin at saka chairman?
Ang district handover namin, induction, saan ang gagawin sa Soler? Sa June 27.
Soler? Okay.
Ang host club namin dyan is, ang chairman namin is si past President Selfie Amonte.
Selfie? Parang pamilyar. Selfie. Okay. Magkano naman? At saka una, bago yung amount, baka ma-discourage agad. Sino-sino dapat nating imbitahan para dumalo?
Of course, yung mga presidente ko, yung mga incoming district officers, of course, yung mga governors, imbitahin din natin dumalo. Siyempre, ikaw, kailangan nandun ka.
June 27 yan. Kayo tinatawag ngayong world class. Diba? World class. At ang nagbansag nito, ang inyong RI President-elect na si Ravi Rabindran, na naging bisita ng ating bansa, Pilipinas. Matanong ko lang, Gob, world class, ang inyong Rotary team ay...
Be a gift to the world.
Bigyan mo nga kaming konting pasada. Bakit itong napili?
Sabi ni Ravi Rabindran, ng ating RI President, we have been given so many gifts. And what are we going to do with these gifts? Are we going to keep these gifts for our personal glory or give these gifts to make a difference in people's lives? Yan ang sabi niya. Sabi niya, when you give your time in service, you touch lives. When you give your resources, you uplift lives. But when you give both your time and resources, you yourself become a gift to the world.
Ako, mga televiewers natin, mga Rotarians, sample lang yan. I'm sure we will hear more when we hear District Governor-elect Ray David sa kanyang District Training Assembly at sa kanyang inaabangan at Very exciting na lahat. District handover on June 27. Kaya lang, pare-pareho yata kayo ng date ng sabay-sabay. Wala naman, nangyayari talaga yan. And I'm sure, Gov. Ray, this will be, again, another banner year for District 3780 dahil sa inyo, I'm natutuwa ako sa inyong district. Because you're one of the districts that I know, talagang there is this spirit of unity sa inyong distrito at nagkakaisa kayo lahat. Lalo-lalo na ang mga kasapi ng inyong Council of Governors. Naobserbahan ko yan. Of course, minsan-minsan naman mayroon din konting problema, pero nasa-solve nyo naman. Okay, talagang napakabilis talaga ng oras. At ito na yung portion na we will ask you to say parting message. Especially kung meron kang babatiin. At saka yung mga Rotarians, mga presidente.
Of course, nagpapasalamat ako sa UNTV, lalo na sa inyo, sapagkat namumulat ang ating mamamayan na meron palang Rotary providing service to our less fortunate brothers and sisters. Gusto ko rin batiin ang aking mga world-class presidents.
World-class president.
Tawag sa amin is world-class president. Of course, gusto kong batiin, baka nakikinig yung aking the power beneath my wings, ang aking asawa si Gigi David.
Okay, familiar sa amin yan ni Governor Jess. Yung mga ganyang the power beneath the wings.
Alam mo, kaya nga ako idol ko na kasi si Governor Jess eh.
Sabi niya, dalawa na tayong idol.
Lagi niya sinasabi, dream big dreams. Kaya dream ko, Rotary 600. Okay. I hope this will not be an empty dream. Okay. Hanga ako na kasi kay Gov.
When you dream big. Yeah. I agree. Kaya idol natin si Gov Jess. Okay, mga kasambahay, yan po ang ating PCRG Corner ngayong gabi. And I'm sure si Governor Ray will, in the future, hindi ka tatanggi if you will be asked again to come back. And because this is the essence of this Rotary in Action TV program, to really feature, lalo-lalo na yung mga projects mo. Ngayon pa lang, sumasaludo na kami. Kung sino man yung nag-isip, you have a very good team of think tank. Magaling. Okay. Yan po ang PCRG Corner at magbabalik po ang Rotary in Action.
This year's observance of World Immunization Week, last April 24 to 30, signals a renewed effort to prevent an estimated 2 to 3 million deaths worldwide from vaccine-preventable diseases, including polio, by closing immunization gaps.